Hello. Hello. I haven't been much on here, so I have no excuses for that. I just been lazy to do anything. So today I'm just gonna do a colorful look. I have a dry skin, so these past I would say 2 months I have been trying different skincare products. I would like to share my must-have skincare items for dry skin that you should have. So I'm just gonna do my eyes. Today I want to make like a blue and a orange makeup look. And it's because I bought a new palette, and this palette is very colorful. So I have, this is a new corner. As you can see, this is a new corner in my bedroom. Welcome. Let's start to. So I'm gonna make a cut crease with the blue on my crease. Okay, so I'm gonna go with the dark blue eyeshadow, like royal blue, and I'm gonna just blend it in my crease, just so ever lightly. Okay, that's the start of it. I'm gonna start very lightly and then build up. I'm gonna take this, small packing brush and going with the same color, tap the excess. I'm just gonna try and intensify it a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna take like a lighter blue shade, like a deep turquoise, and I'm gonna try and blend them together. You're probably looking at my skin and thinking like, wow, you really have a good skin today. Or like, more like I have less breakout. And that is because the new skincare, I found that the CeraVe cleansing, like it's this one, you can see, very good for dry skin. I can tell you that it's very much saved my skin. Like literally, I continuously washed my face with it, like before, like even those 2 months, I think 4 months, almost for 4 months. This has definitely saved my skin. So I'm gonna just use a little bit of concealer on this concealer brush to cut my crease. So that's how it's looking. I kind of like it. I look like Cleopatra, but I like it. So anyway, now that my crease is cut, I'm gonna go ahead and set it with an orange. Okay, that's how it's looking. I'm just gonna take a white shimmery shade, this Anastasia brush, highlight my brow bone, my inner corner. I'm gonna jump to the second eye. As I said, the CeraVe product, 100% recommend. The next product, which comes after the cleanser, is face scrub. I used to use like sugar scrub that was like mixed with like lemon juice or something like that, and I used Wishful from Huda Beauty, and I used many other like physical and chemical peeling. When you like scrub your face too hard, your skin's gonna break out, like there's no doubt. I noticed this because I usually do the chemical and physical peeling like each 3 days, so 2 times in a week. What I noticed after each time I used the chemical peeling, that my skin would break out almost everywhere on my skin, and also on my chin, which is like the most painful part. Chemical had like, the pad was so harsh, I was like pushing on my skin because I was afraid that skin would remain. So I was really like scrubbing as hard as I can. But then I realized that was a mistake because every time I did that my skin break out and it was like pimple land. After that I decided to not use. I realized that it wasn't really a good idea, so I found a product that I really liked. It's like a cream by a Korean beauty. It does chemical and physical exfoliation. The texture is like Huda Beauty's texture. So I started doing that once a week when I really feel like my skin needs it and not like I have to do this. After scrub, I would use... Normally I would use like only a toner and then my moisturizer. But the last week, 2 weeks, the last week I have been using different products. I have been using retinol, the ordinary, retinol 1%. I use it at nighttime, 1 time per week. I used on Sundays at nighttime. Almost immediately, the next morning when you wake up, you can feel your skin is very different. It's very smooth. And then I use like a toner. It's like a honeycomb toner. It's like a slimy texture, but it's very hydrating and it's good for dry skin. After I use my toner, and then for the next every other 2 days, every other day, I would use this lactic acid by The Ordinary as well, and it's lactic acid 5% plus HA and mild lactic acid superficial peeling formulation. That's why I don't use peeling as much as I did. And then I have this most precious product that I found. I have panda eyes. You cannot deny that you are now seeing panda eyes. Even when I sleep like 12 hours per day, like I have intense dark circles, sometimes they are red, sometimes they are dark. Until this is The Ordinary caffeine solution. You should put your eye cream or eye serum or anything, you should put as well here, but because this is also thin skin of the eye. With my ring finger I patted it like in. It is really good product. And then after using the serums and everything, I usually do my moisturizer. While I was shopping, I bought this. This was the most beneficial for me. Dry to very dry skin types. So now I'm gonna take the same concealer brush. This baby does not sit on your face. I just need to concentrate for a moment. Some people might had enough of setting love songs. Do an eyeliner. I do that off camera. I'll be right back once. So welcome back. As you can see, I already did my eyelashes and I added like some little sparkles. I changed my top so I can match like this look, you know, huh? And the only thing that is left is my lipstick. And my mother is calling. Hello. Say cheers.
Salam.
Salam. Sorry for the interruption. I'm gonna use this color and it's by NYX. I'm using Honey by Morphe. Ooh. And the last product that I'm gonna share with you is sunscreen. I love sunscreens, but sometimes they work with me, sometimes they don't. After I use it, I tend to have breakouts. I switch to a BB cream. Perfect Cover BB cream by Misha. I think it's really good. I tend to break out a little bit from it, and that's because I sleep with it at daytime. 42 SPF, so it's like PA+++. So this is a very good BB cream slash sunscreen. That's basically it. So I'm gonna apply this gloss now. It's also by Morphe and it's called Pop. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed my little chit chat. So thank you so much for watching. As usual, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. If you're interested in my content, share this video if you like with your friends and family. Maybe have a good laugh on it. Yeah. Must have skincare product, trust me, 100%. Chef's kiss. Lega! Bye guys. Everything is falling apart.